From futuristic AR glasses and AI-powered robots to mind-blowing smart devices and incredible tech innovations, these gadgets are packed with features that feel straight out of the future. Make sure you watch until the end because some of the coolest gadgets are saved for the final spots. And if you see something you like, we've included all the product links in the comments below.
These sleek glasses blend cutting-edge technology with style, offering immersive AR experiences right before your eyes. With a lightweight design and advanced optical display, the X-Real Air 2 Pro lets you enjoy everything from gaming to productivity apps seamlessly integrated into your environment. Plus, the intuitive controls and compatibility with various devices make it perfect for anyone looking to enhance their digital life. Whether you're gaming, working, or exploring new worlds, these glasses are a game changer. Looking for the next level of immersive VR? The Pico 4 Pro VR glasses are here to elevate your experience. With ultra-clear 4K plus resolution, a lightweight design, and advanced tracking technology, these glasses offer incredible visuals and precision for gaming, fitness, and more. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds or working out in a new dimension, the Pico 4 Pro provides comfort and power like never before. Meet the iLink Smart Robot, your new interactive home companion. This adorable AI robot responds to your touch, plays games, and even expresses emotions, making it a delightful addition to any household. With its charming personality and interactive features, iLink keeps both kids and adults entertained while bringing a touch of whimsy to your day. Whether you need a fun friend to chat with or a unique decor piece, iLink is here to brighten your home. Introducing the Mini 3D HD Hologram Fan Projector, the ultimate tool for eye-catching displays. This compact projector uses spinning LED blades to create mesmerizing, high-definition 3D visuals that seem to float in midair, making it perfect for stores, events, or even at home. Easy to set up and customizable with your own images and videos, this hologram fan captures attention like nothing else, turning any space into a visual spectacle. The Time Kettle WT2 Edge W3. Simultaneous translator earbuds, a game changer for travelers and language learners alike. These innovative earbuds offer real-time translation in over 40 languages, making it easier than ever to connect with people from different cultures. With their sleek design and comfortable fit, they're perfect for long conversations or quick chats on the go. The Rainio Air 2 AR glasses, a game-changing pair of smart glasses featuring a micro OLED display and XR capabilities. These glasses offer a 1080p video display, delivering stunning visuals directly to your eyes for an immersive experience, whether you're watching content or exploring AR apps. With sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the Rainio Air 2 is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their augmented reality experience. Looking for a 3D printer that delivers speed without sacrificing quality? See the AnkerMake M5. Upgraded with a powerful Power Boost feature, this machine reaches up to 500 millimeters per second, printing in fast mode to save you time while keeping intricate details intact. Its intuitive controls make setup and adjustments a breeze, so even beginners can dive in with confidence. The AI-powered voice recorder and call recorder, your ultimate tool for effortless recording, transcribing, and summarizing. With speech-to-text technology supporting over 100 languages, this device turns conversations into easy-to-read text in seconds. Whether it's meetings, interviews, or phone calls, you'll never miss a detail. Colmi R02. Smart Ring, crafted with a military-grade titanium steel shell for ultimate durability. This sleek, lightweight ring isn't just about looks, it packs powerful health monitoring features, including heart rate tracking and sleep analysis to keep you in tune with your well-being. With an IP68 rating and 3 ATM waterproofing, it's ready for any adventure. The Geek Magic Gift TV, where functionality meets futuristic design. This smart desktop decoration is more than just a digital clock. It's a holographic weather station, GIF animation showcase, and a personal image album all in one. Its stunning crystal-clear display brings animations and photos to life, adding a touch of magic to your workspace. Perfect for your desk, nightstand, or as a unique gift for tech lovers. Now, for the content creators out there, we've got the OBS Bot-Tail Air NDI streaming camera. This AI-powered camera is perfect for live streaming, video recording, or vlogging. What's unique about it is that it can track your movement automatically. No need for a cameraman. It uses advanced AI algorithms to follow your actions, keeping you perfectly in frame while you focus on your content. Looking for a smart camera that's compact, fun, and perfect for instant memories? Check out the Fujifilm Instax Pal Smart Camera. This pocket-sized marvel makes snapping photos a breeze with its sleek design and easy-to-use features. Pair it with the Instax Link app to customize and print your favorite shots instantly. Whether you're capturing group selfies, candid moments, or creative angles, the Instax Pal delivers vibrant, high-quality prints in seconds. The Kandao QCam 3 Ultra 8K 360 Action Camera. This powerhouse sports camera captures stunning, ultra-sharp 8K footage, bringing every detail of your surroundings to life. It's equipped with dual 1 by 1.7-inch sensors, giving you top-notch image quality even in low light. With HDR and a fast aperture, it handles bright highlights and shadows effortlessly, creating dynamic and vibrant videos. Step into the next level of PC VR with the Pimax Crystal Light, now offering cutting-edge resolution and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate for an ultra-immersive experience. Designed for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike, this headset delivers unparalleled clarity and responsive gameplay, ensuring every detail shines through. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds or dominating the competition, the Pimax Crystal Light offers premium performance at a competitive price. Emo Ilic, the ultimate electronic companion that brings emotion and intelligence to your desktop. This smart voice interaction AI pet doesn't just sit there. It listens, responds, and reacts with real emotion to your every word. Packed with advanced technology, Emo Ilic is more than just a robot. It's your emotional companion, a mood booster, and even a wireless charger for your devices. Introducing the Inmo Air 2 Smart AR Glasses. The ultimate blend of technology and style control your world effortlessly with the innovative AR Ring capture moments with the built-in camera and experience real-time translation of multiple languages, perfect for global explorers. Its vibrant micro OLED screen offers crystal clear visuals, all in a lightweight portable design. The Davoom Times Gate Pixel Art Gaming Setup Clock. This isn't just any clock, it's a vibrant piece of art for your gaming space. With smart app control, you can customize pixel art designs, set alarms, and even get weather updates. Plus, the retro vibe adds a nostalgic touch to your setup. Imagine waking up to your favorite character displayed right next to your bed. This is a must-have for any gamer. Wanbo DaVinci One Projector, your ultimate home entertainment companion, with stunning 4K support, ultra-bright visuals, and a sleek, compact design. This powerhouse turns any wall into a cinematic experience. Its smart features include built-in Wi-Fi and app integration, so you can stream your favorite movies, shows, and games effortlessly. With advanced sound and user-friendly controls, the Wanbo DaVinci One brings big screen magic right to your home. We have the Unihertz Jelly Star, one of the tiniest smartphones you'll ever see. This little guy packs a punch despite its size, with a 3-inch display and Android 13. Perfect for those who need a minimalist phone or a backup for emergencies. Don't let its size fool you. It's small but mighty. You can literally carry this phone in your pocket and forget it's even there, making it an excellent option for minimalists or adventurers. We've got something fun, the Rux Robot Smart Desktop Toy by Ledian Pi AI. This smart little robot isn't just any desktop toy. It's powered by AI and can perform various tasks like answering your questions, dancing, and even playing games with you. It's like having your own personal assistant that also happens to be super entertaining.
If you'd like to check out any of these products, you'll find all the links in the comments section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget discoveries and tech reviews.